The legendary Armenian brandy ARARAT presents Armenia. Generous, sincere, inspiring. The land that gave rise to great legends and reaches everybody's soul with its one-of-a-kind Armenian character. Two legends met in a creative collaboration to bring to life a new blend and to pay tribute to the homeland, origin and talent, craftsmanship, authenticity, to the culture that has already conquered the world, and tell the story of the artistic journey of Maestro. Each year enriches the melody of taste with special notes, the notes of first trial, global fame, eternal passion. The heritage of this great artist takes shape in a new masterpiece in this distinguished 25-year-old brandy.
Il faut toujours surprendre, même vous, il faut vous surprendre, c'est automatique.
ARARAT Charles Aznavour's signature blend, honoring the heritage created in the artistic collaboration with Maestro Charles Aznavour.